Hindi ba? At a glance, gusto natin makita natin immediately. Kasi gano'n naman dapat ang trading system natin. Once you hop on your monitor, makita mo yung price, alam mo na kagad kung shoot or pass. Hindi ba? Kailangan, you have to make sure to see this in price. Kasi nga, sabi ko kanina, price action is king and what we are trading is price. Sa dami-dami ng stocks, let's say in the PSEI, it's like 300 stocks. We have major pairs that we are trading at napakarami rin pong cryptocurrency na pwede nating i-trade. Pero ang tanong natin, are we going alongside the trend? There are basically two things na dapat ma-separate natin with price. Ma-separate natin yung tinatawag nating trending sa tinatawag natin na non-trending. Now, dito tayo pupunta kasi from the Society of Technical Analysts, and ang goal natin dito is to provide value through your technicals ng maayos. Ang kailangan nating ma-make sure dito is to see ano ba, what is working sa uptrend moving average natin and what is not working on a sideways moving average natin.
Always be on point. Vertex Trading.